Decor and Designs. Today, we will share about amazing backyard water feature garden ideas and tips for creating an enchanting backyard garden with water feature. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the gentle sound of trickling water. Your senses are instantly awakened by the cooling mist and the mesmerizing dance of light on the water's surface. This, my friends, is the magic of a well-designed backyard water feature garden. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, a water feature offers a multitude of benefits. It attracts birds and pollinators, creating a vibrant ecosystem. The soothing sound of water can reduce stress and enhance relaxation. And what could be more delightful than enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning with the calming water as your backdrop? If you want to make a water feature in your backyard garden, the first step is to decide on the type of water feature you want and the size that will best suit your space. Research different options and gather inspiration from online resources and garden magazines. Once you have a plan, you can start gathering materials and tools. For complex projects, consider hiring a professional to help with the installation. The location of your water feature is crucial. Choose a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, as most water plants need sunlight to thrive. Also, consider the noise level and the overall flow of your garden. You want your water feature to be a focal point, but it should also blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. A small fountain or a bubbling rock is a great option for beginners. These features require minimal maintenance, making them a perfect choice for busy individuals. As you gain experience, you can move on to more complex projects. There are many beautiful water plants that will thrive around your feature. Some popular options include water lilies, lotus flowers, papyrus, and reeds. When choosing plants, consider the size of your water feature, the amount of sunlight it receives, and the overall style of your garden. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best backyard water feature garden ideas. 1. The cascading waterfall. This classic design creates a dramatic focal point, adding movement and sound to your garden. You can use natural rocks or prefabricated kits to create your own cascading waterfall. 2. The serene pond. A pond is a beautiful and versatile option. It provides a habitat for fish and aquatic plants, and its reflective surface adds depth and dimension to your space. 3. The miniature fountain. For smaller spaces, a miniature fountain can add a touch of elegance and charm. You can find pre-made fountains in various styles, or get creative and build your own. 4. The bubbling rock. This simple yet effective feature is perfect for beginners. All you need is a pump and a large rock to create a mesmerizing bubbling effect. 5. The bamboo water feature. For a touch of Asian-inspired serenity, incorporate bamboo into your water feature. You can use bamboo poles to create a spout or a screen, or even plant bamboo around the water. 6. The spillway. This unique design creates the illusion of water spilling over rocks. It's a great way to add visual interest and movement to your garden. 7. The bird bath. Not only does a bird bath attract feathered friends, but it also adds a touch of whimsy and charm to your garden. Choose a design that complements your overall style. 8. The rain chain. This functional and decorative element replaces a traditional downspout, creating a cascade of water that both beautifies and irrigates your garden. 9. The koi pond. If you're looking for a more ambitious project, consider installing a koi pond. These beautiful fish add a vibrant color and movement to your water feature, and watching them swim can be incredibly relaxing. 10. The DIY water feature. Let your creativity flow. There are endless possibilities when it comes to creating your own unique water feature. Repurpose old containers, create a rock waterfall, or get inspired by online tutorials. A backyard water feature garden is an investment that will reward you with years of enjoyment. It's a place to relax and reconnect with nature, and it will add beauty and value to your home. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your own backyard paradise today. Subscribe to my channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiring design ideas and DIY tutorials. Share your own backyard water feature creations in the comments below. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of amazing backyard water feature garden ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.